Hi, today we're gonna create a plant irrigation system with Arduino. If you like plants and all that stuff but you don't want to water it, this is the perfect project. This is also a prototype, so it's not actually used for a lot of plants. Just one plant, my personal bonsai. So let's have a look at the components. Okay, so what you're gonna need is the Arduino Uno, obviously, a soil moisture detector, a mini 5-volt water pump, some cables, and of course your water tube. Here is the actual sketch, but on a bigger scale, and yes, more complicated. Alright, for the coding part, it's pretty straightforward. All you gotta do is set your sensor pin variable to 80, and this will basically set your soil sensor to input 80 and create a variable for your output value. Then you want to set up your pin mode, which will basically read data from the sensor. Do this once and then we'll have a delay of 3 seconds. Afterwards, we're going to loop through the sensor. We'll basically get a live feedback from the moisture detector, and then every single time we will check if the moisture detector is above level 0. If it is, we will not water because there is moisture. If it is under 0, we will activate the pump, which will water the plant. So very straightforward. Okay, let's upload our sketch to the Arduino. And once it's uploaded, you can see that there is live output from the sensor. So it's currently submerged in the water, and that is why it is over 0. But when I put it in the dry soil, it becomes a negative value, and then it activates the pump. So let's have a look here. As you can see, it's deep into the soil, and then it activates the pump when it's in dry soil. So after watering it, the Arduino will stop working. So as you can see, it stops when I put it back in the water. And voila! You can now water your plants without worrying about whether you watered it or not. So good job. Yeah. So the question is, who's this for? And I think that this can be mostly used for farmers and people who are into agriculture. So what I propose is we create an app called Plantito. That's a joke lang. But what this app can do at least is the following. The app can show you an overview of all of your plants. It enables you to add another plant to your database, and as well as shows you a dashboard of the current health of all your plants. The app can show you individual moisture levels for each plant that you have, as well as the age and the watering cycle. It can also show you the current timer for when your plant is supposed to be watered, and you can manually water the plant through the app, all inside your phone. And it's very useful for people who are busy but want to maintain their plantito lifestyle. So yes, this app is very useful. And that's it. Thanks for watching.